In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on Pro Mode on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, head over to your profile by tapping on this profile icon. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find Turn on Pro Mode option. Select that. Now, go through all of this, then tap on the Turn On option. Now, you want to tap on Next. Here, tap on Next again. Now choose your default audience. You can select public, you can select friends or custom, then tap on next. Now go through this and tap on the confirm option, or if you want to change anything, tap on the edit settings option and edit it from here. Once you tap on the confirm option, now you want to go through the monetization tools, then tap on next. Now tap on next again. Once you can add in a profile frame, if not, tap on the skip option. Then tap on Go to Dashboard, and as you can see, the Pro Mode has been successfully activated on Facebook. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.